Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama out here checking out one of my customers' new homes. This home is going to my friends the Munns. This is a Leininger 16 by 66 and wow, it looks sharp. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. What I love about this floor plan is you've got a separate area there for your refrigerator and also some storage up there. There's Brittany coming in the door, coming to do her checks. We did glacier quartzite on the countertop with Timberwolf on the cabinets. We also added the black cabinet handles. Coming around to the kitchen here, you've got a type of a galley kitchen, but it has this little countertop extension right there. So I think this is sharp. We've got the kitchen area on one end of the home. Coming over here, this is going to be the washer dryer area. Here's the living room. They did an accent wall there. I like the way that works right in with the colors of the kitchen. Coming down the hallway, bedroom 3. Second bath. I apologize guys, but this home is fresh off of the production line. There's no kind of electricity going to it, so all I have is my camera flash. Here's bedroom 2. It's a good sized bedroom. You'll notice the floors are oiled up real good. We do that as part of our cleaning process. Coming down here, master bedroom. Gotta walk softly or you'll slide. Master bath. We've added the over the commode there. Whenever you add those things, it always matches the cabinet color, unless you tell me otherwise. Remember, on the standard walls, the VOG walls, you're going to see can lighting throughout. Master bedroom closet, that's where the water heater is, behind there. So, super happy with the way that this house turned out. We are at about a mid-September, early October offline date. So if you're interested in building a new home before the fall, please give me a call. You'll find my information down in the description. Thanks for watching.